Welcome back to Chokitable Media. The internet never forgets. Internet is doing a great thing in exposing the atrocity committed and the statement made yesterday and the atrocity being committed today by the Nigerian politician. What am I talking about? I just want to bring to you the antecedent of Mr. Nyesom Wike, the one they call the judiciary in Nigeria. Mr. Nyesom Wike yesterday used to have a stand, and today the stand which he used to have and condemn is what he's practicing today. It seems that Mr. Wike is out to destroy Rivers State. The accusation he had already laid to the past people before him, the past politicians that have ruled Rivers State before. Now today, what is Mr. Wike doing? And who is this man, Wike? What made him so powerful over the whole Nigeria? What made him so powerful over everybody? The last time he said he bought application forms for every politician in Rivers State. I mean, is this not what investigating by the authority? How come? How dare you? And he is the one demanding half of the revenue that is coming to Rivers State. Is this not what investigating? What is happening to Simfubara? Anyway, it's part of the problem, and that is why I said don't follow them, don't join them in their war. It's now here. I mean, Simfubara facing the wrath of Wike. Now, I want you to watch the video of what he did yesterday and what he's criticizing here today.
Need peace in the state. You can see that a man who does not love the state. Today, you can see his comments. So it is not in his place to decide. And it is that impunity, that godfatherism he wants to play. It is his impunity. He will decide everything that happens. You will decide for your party. You will also decide for the entire Rivers State. This state gave you governor for 8 years. Under this state, he became a minister. Is that the thank you give to the state for making you whom you are? For bringing you up to this level? Instead of you to see how you can have peace in your state, make your state of development, each day you wake up is to cast aspersion on your state. That is not good. It is no person that has the sense will continue to do that, because I believe, what do I gain? What do I gain as a person if I destroy my state? Of what benefit is it to me? This is the state I owe everything to. So I need that peace. I need that development in that state, and you cannot. But each time you go out, you cast aspersion on the state, you say this about the state, you bring down the state, you continue to deceive people. Why? Of what purpose? Anything that will not come to you is bad. If you are not the one who dictates a whole state that population of not less than 6 million, you think you can continue to dictate to them. And let us see how you can take the state and put in your pocket. That's why, look at voting. By the time, because if this government believes in fighting corruption, as they say, it can't be talking this way. He can't, because it's all over the place. What does he achieve that you wake up, you go on television to bring down your state? What does he achieve?
At the same time, there's another video of those guys, the 27 legislators that said they didn't defect to APC. I want to show you the video of when they were dancing, when they were singing about their defection. We learned about it. We saw it. In fact, they signed papers. They went to court. In fact, there's still an appeal in the court saying that these guys have defected. So they are not coming back into the party. And it calls to question, what happened to the affidavit this guy sworn to at the court? Where is he kept? How come they can't find this document anymore as a proof for them in the court today? Who took those documents? Who are the one in charge of documenting in the court? Are these people not worth calling and probing and asking them what happened? We all saw when they went to visit Bola Tinubu at the Aso Rock. They entered the bus, they were dancing, they were singing on the mandate of somebody. They are standing. I think internet is doing us a great deal of help by exposing the hypocrisy of all these people. These people are actually turning the law on its head in Nigeria. I don't know what they have on their mind. Don't they think that people are watching them? Why should they be calling Nigerian fools? Anyway, I want you to watch the video and draw your own conclusion and let me know if truly this guy did defect. Because I saw some people arguing that where is their party card? The party will say, or they say they are defecting to. Who have ever saw their ID card issued to them? And another person was saying, okay, did the party leader of APC ever invited them and all this stuff? Man, it's good to be a devil advocate. But remember, you'll be called to account on whose side you are standing. You'll be called to account on what you believe in. When the time comes, you'll be questioned. I think it's better to stand on the side of truth if we actually want Nigeria to grow. If we want Nigeria to move forward. We don't need all this type of politicians in Nigeria. For those people that wants to save Nigeria, do you think Nigeria can be saved with all this type of crop of people? People defected. It is in your law that if you defect from a party, you cease to be a member of the house. It is known. It's a written fact. But what is happening today to the 27 legislator, the guy that defected from PDP to APC? Anyway, the ball is in the court of Mr. Fubara. It's up to him. Let's see where the game is going to end. Watch the video.
Okay, hold on. Yeah.
We received members of this 10th assembly. Distinguished colleagues, these leaders were personally written by the 27 members individually and sent to me in line with section 101 of the 1999 Constitution as authored. Distinguished colleagues, I will begin by reading the letter written by the Right Honorable Barrister Dumile Mao, the Deputy Speaker of this House. It reads, the Right Honorable Martin Chika Memule, DSSRS Speaker, Rivers State Assembly, Moscow, Port Harcourt, Mr. Speaker, defection to the All Progressive Congress, APC. I write to bring to your attention my decision to leave the People's Democratic Party, PDP. This decision to leave the PDP is necessitated by the division of the People's Democratic Party, of which I was elected to this House. In particular, the tussle around who the National Secretary of the PDP is has now sharply divided the party and made it unclear as to who is the National Secretary of the party, thereby making it difficult for me to chart an appropriate communication channel. There are currently different court processes, as well as others, making it impossible to identify who the authentic National Secretary of the party is. Details of these orders of courts can be found in suit number FCT/HC/M/015/23, suit number FHC/KBJ/CS/1580/2023, and suit number E/882/2023 2023. There's also a matter at the Federal High Court in Lagos, same subject. The situation has made it imperative that I defect to the All Progressive Congress, APC. Therefore, I seek your indulgence in this regard, as you do the needful and recognize me now as a member of the APC and do accept the assurance of my esteemed regards. Sincerely, Right Honorable Dumle Mao, DSSRS, Deputy Speaker, Member, Bukana constituency. Distinguished colleagues, this letter is from the Deputy Speaker, as I said earlier, and in line with the Constitution, I've read the letter on the floor of this House. It is the duty of this House to find out whether the conditions upon which this defection is made is sufficient for him to actually defect from the People's Democratic Party to the APC. Distinguished colleagues, the section of the Constitution has made it clear the condition upon which a member can defect, which is a division in his political party where he was elected into the House of Assembly. And from the evidence that is before us, it is clear that there is division in the PDP. Because as it stands today, it is difficult for people to even know who the National Secretary of the party is. And of course, the office of the Secretary, National Secretary of the party is key. It's pivotal to the functioning of that party. There are now factions, some people are supporting some alliance, while others are not. This clear division has warranted the decision of Right Honorable Dumle Mao to defect to the All Progressive Congress. On that note, distinguished colleagues, do we have any objection, or do we have any reason? Do we think it is insufficient, or the reasons he has so preferred are insufficient for him to defect? Our members, I bring it open to the House. Do we have any objection to this? Our members, we think the reasons he has preferred are sufficient. Yes. Yeah. So think so, right?
Yes. Thank you for watching. This is Chukitibu Media. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Put your comment in the comment section, and God bless you as you do. See you next time, and bye-bye for now.